Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2013 Chevrolet 3500 HD. This specific truck only has 2,000 miles on it, and it's outfitted with your own business. So this is made specifically for cleaning parking garages. It has a 6.6 gallon per minute pump. It also has like a hot seat system. So what this does is it heats up the water, and you've got the ability to run 2 guys on the pressure cleaner or the cleaner, and then it also has a system that will siphon the water, filter it, and put it back into that giant 500-gallon tank. So this is EPA friendly essentially, so you can go clean up a garage, and then if you want to water the plants when you're leaving, you can. This truck is essentially brand new. It doesn't have a lot of frills, but that's not what you're buying it for. You're buying this truck to make money. Let's go ahead and look under the hood. It's powered by a 6-liter, 6.0. So as you can see, it is legitimately brand new. This will also come with the original window sticker and all the receipts for when they built the truck out. So what's special is you can use this to start a pressure cleaning business, or you can use it for the purpose of cleaning those garages in Miami or in another state. They lowered this steel about 6 inches so that they could fit all the equipment and still clear underneath that low. Whenever you go in a parking garage, you see like those low PVC pipes. This clears that. You can go all the way to the top, clean it, and then bring your water right back out. You've got 2 storage compartments and an extremely clean interior. I didn't show you that yet. And you've got things that don't break. You ever see a crank window break? No. You ever see a door handle break? Yes, but this one's not broken yet. The interior is extremely clean. You've got a speedometer that reads to 120 miles an hour, because that's how fast you have to go, because you're gonna get so much business from that machine in the back. Let's go ahead and go to the back. I want to show you that generator that's running there. It's a little Honda. This thing fires up first time every time. It does not have fuel in it right now, but that's because we're storing it until you buy it. We'll fill this thing up if you buy it. You basically pull the choke out. It shows 15 hours. There's 15 hours on this whole entire system. You just crank it, and it would fire up if there was gasoline, but obviously our tank's empty. You also have a diesel tank, and that's what's used to heat up the water that's going to come out of these high pressure hoses. You've got all your fittings, and we're also going to include all the hardware that goes into making this business profitable. You've got your scrubber along with 2 heavy duty pressure cleaners. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Start your business now.